Welcome back. Met Department has issued a cyclone warning for South Gujarat and North Maharashtra coast. This cyclone is predicted to pass very close from Goan shores. Met Department predicts the cyclone may hit south of Gujarat and North Maharashtra by Wednesday. The storm is still around 350 kilometers away from Goa. Gusty winds are likely to hit coastal regions of Goa. Fishermen are advised not to venture into Arabian Sea.
The depression over southeast and adjoining east central Arabian Sea has moved northwestwards. The system is likely to intensify further into a cyclonic storm. It might move in a northerly direction for some more time and then northeastwards and cross South Gujarat and North Konkan coast between Mahuva and Dahanu. Rainfall is expected in coastal Karnataka, Konkan and Goa and Maharashtra during next 48 hours. Director of Indian Met Department KV Singh informed us more on the rainfall.
Due to this system, this rainfall activity can increase this side also, and there will be strong wind also during next 48 hours. So this is now it is a deep depression. If it further intensifies, then it will be a cyclone. So it may be intensify further. So tomorrow this may be a cyclone. So but it is moving in the northerly or northwesterly direction. So but it will affect here also. Yeah, that is dangerous for this. These trees may be damaged, and the sea will be very rough to very rough.
Stormy wind speed reaching 45 to 55 kilometers per hour, gusting to 65 kilometers per hour are likely along and off Kerala, Karnataka and Goa and Maharashtra coast during next 48 hours and over Lakshadweep area and Kerala coast during next 24 hours. Sea conditions will be rough over Lakshadweep area and along Kerala, Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra coast. Fishermen are advised not to venture into the sea along and off these coasts. Our senior reporter Rakesh Kandolkar with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
In a shocking incident, Eugenio Ribello allegedly murdered his sister-in-law, Faustina Ribello, on Monday night at a residence in Kortali. The daughters of deceased informed that Eugenio attacked their mother with a koita on her neck. The suspect is arrested and is in police custody. Here is a report.
On Monday night at Consua in Kortali, Eugenio Ribello allegedly killed his own sister-in-law with a koita. Apparently, there were fights in the house since many months over some issue. But this quarrel rose high, taking the life of Faustina Ribello. Faustina Ribello is aged between 42 years. Her husband works on a cruise liner and at present is on board. The neighbors of the deceased informed that when Faustina was attacked with the koita on her neck, she immediately came screaming out of her house to a nearby STD and breathed her last. Some people in the area also informed that Eugenio few days back sharpened the koita from a cobbler in the area.
ten down in muke shopar polti ain cholte ka and then polon then ta kai maj big big haken dorle ki jat kamale then mag pote jab di hona to uska sodla mi ji solte ni jati ni.
We tried to ask the PI of Verna, Rajendra Prabhu Desai, about the investigation, but he told us that he would comment after the post-mortem report. The body was immediately sent to GMC for post-mortem. Eugenio's wife is also in police custody for interrogation. Our reporter in Kortali, Surendra Madkaikar.
Illegal structure at Kampal was demolished by Planning and Development Authority on Tuesday. The complaint was filed against the structure in February 2009, but even after the notice, people did not move out. Demolition was carried in police protection.
8 years old illegal structure was demolished by the North Planning and Development Authority. This demolition was carried out in presence of police officials. North Goa Planning and Development Authority Ashok Kumar gave us more details.
We have received a complaint. Based on that, we have issued a show cause notice. After that, we have issued a 2009 February final notice from NJPD. Then we are demolishing to no.
What are these residential houses?
Illegal structure.
How many are there? Two?
I think only one structure.
People were up in arms against the demolition. 4 people were arrested for creating chaos during the demolition. Our video journalist from Panji, Ganesh Hotkar, for Prudent Media.
It's time for yet another short break. Stay tuned.